Oh man, what is this? MTV? Yeah, I heard Cribs was back. Well, come. Actually, you can't come in. I'm gonna do. Give me. Come on. Yeah, get on out of here. Do this myself. Who wants to watch me do something stupid? All right, welcome back to CSMTV, and yeah, doing something a little different. So came back from shootout. Not a whole lot of racing that can go on. Well, at my local track, so haven't really been open for testing or anything like that. So I haven't been able to take the Colt out. So been kind of messing with it. Found a little issue, possibly with the head gasket. It keeps pushing coolant. So I've been kind of messing with it, trying to diagnose it a little bit. I haven't dove real deep into it, so hopefully it's not a big deal. And I have like one event left, so probably just gonna roll with it, and yeah, just see what happens. But anyways, since I've been back, I've been cleaning the shop up. So got a bunch of crap over there moved, carpet rolled up, a bunch of shelves. Built that guy, bought some shelving, put it up there, reorganized some stuff, get more room to work on, since the shop was a total disaster after thrashing on the car for forever. Well, forever. For like half the year trying to get it done. So yeah, got some things cleaned up, things organized. Still need to organize this a little bit. I know, got some Magnum parts need to go on. Need to go over this car at some point. We'll see. It's my buddy's car. I haven't really talked about it, but it's been in the background. So, video coming soon. Yeah, cleaned up here a little bit. Got some old shots that I'll throw in of the disaster. Yeah, so got some stuff upstairs. That's where I keep all the overstock parts of my parts hoarding that I won't get rid of. So yeah, like I said, not a whole lot of events going on. We did go to actually War in the Woods, would have been last night. So that was a cool event. No way would I participate, because that shit's crazy and my car doesn't fit the rules anyways. So, and those cars are stupid fast, but very cool event to go check out. So highly recommend. It's my first time going and it was a blast. But yeah, since there's not a lot going on with the Colt or the Gallant, got some things I've been working out actually on the van as well. I'll have to pull that in a second. I plan on vinyl wrapping a little bit of it, and doing some vinyl wrap on the pit ripper. So getting rid of these green fenders. Man, awful. So I'm gonna do a color change on those, just vinyl wrap them. But yeah, I'll go ahead and pull the van in, show you what I've been doing with that. All right, so got the van in. Plan is to vinyl wrap actually just the chrome part of the bumper and the grill, the chrome part of the grill. So I'm going to do it white. I don't want to do it black, because then it just looks like a standard model, so that's whatever, and I don't really like chrome. So yeah, we're going to do it white and see how it turns out. Not sure, I don't know, I'm not sure how it looks, but we'll see. And then the gold Chevy emblem, because I cannot stand that Chevy does that shit gold. It looks terrible. So we're going to try to do that in blue to match the Colt. So we'll see how that turns out. So we'll go ahead and get to work, and yeah. Alright, and I'm no professional at vinyl wrap, but I can give you a couple tips. I mean, you can look it up on YouTube. There's several videos that I learned from. So basically, first thing we're going to do is clean it up. Got some pre-clean in here. Clean everything real well, and then I'll probably take a blower and make sure there's no dust. Try to blow all that shit away. Probably clean it again, and then we can start laying some vinyl. Hopefully not getting a bunch of dirt in it, which usually happens because I suck. But you know, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. All right, got our vinyl wrap cut down the size. It is quite a bit larger. It does have to curve down, so hopefully have enough to actually pull and stretch it. So you want to go a little bit larger. Like I said, this isn't really a tutorial, but I can regurgitate what good people have said on the internet. Yeah, whatever. So since it's just me here, I'm gonna go ahead and stick this dude on back here. Probably where magnets would come in handy, but I don't have any. I've never bought any, so we're just gonna let it ride. So the only thing I'm worried about is this bottom part. I don't know how well I'm going to be able to get it. Because there's not a good way to actually pull it. Stick this at the bottom first, and then kind of pull up. Might be a little easier if I can do that. Should have had the heat gun ready. Okay, so now that that's done, we're going to try to do the bottom, because I think I said I'll be able to pull up and stretch the top. So we'll see how that goes with the rest of this bumper. Alright, so sorry the camera died, which is probably good because it was getting a pain in the ass and I was cussing a lot on the underside. So the underside, it's pretty much there. We're on this top side. Unfortunately, I don't have a whole lot of battery, so see how far we'll get. Basically, all I'm doing right now is trying to work out all these bubbles, and to get them kind of bunched up like that, kind of peel it back, and then try to get it as smooth as possible when you're laying it down. And then go back with the squeegee, work all the air out. So yeah, if you can see it, I can bring you up closer, actually. It's hard to see, isn't it? Right there. Got a little crease, so to fix that, pretty easy. Peel it back, hit it with a little heat, and it self-heals basically. Alright, so that is basically it. Besides, of course, trimming all this stuff off. But I'm running out of battery, so got that. Got the underside. It is not very good because I just kind of got over it. Got a couple of these guys here that just couldn't work out. So yeah, so battery's dying. So I'm gonna go ahead and trim this up, and then I'll probably start on the grill section and bring it back hopefully when I'm trimming, so I can kind of show some of that. So yeah, we'll be back. Alright, so I went ahead and finished up the grill since my batteries are taking forever to charge, but man, look at that. Whew, she looks much better. Did have a little bit of problems right here on this guy. Ended up ripping the vinyl, which sucks, but I might try to do a janky fix or something. But yeah, overall pretty happy with it. The bottom side kind of sucks. It's got its issues, if you can even see those, but that doesn't look good over there. Oh well, you won't see that, and we're learning. So yeah, otherwise I like it. Like I said, not a big fan of chrome, so I dig the white front end. I think I like how it turned out, and with the black, even I thought that was going to be a little weird, but I kind of like it. So I'm going to flip this around, might do the rear bumper or not today. Maybe I'll do another day. Show you what I did with the rear. Alright, so I'm going to do the rear bumper another day. I'm hungry and want to go eat. And then I'll just be at home. So, whatever. Alright, so here is the rear. Got it kind of mostly set up for what I want to do. Show you how I did the floor since I didn't take any video. I got a couple pictures. Just go ahead and throw them in now. But anyways, so I got this coin floor down they use for trailers. It's got seat rails, so I didn't take those out because those are kind of a bitch to take out. They require some cutting, and I'm just not willing to cut into this. But it is kind of nice. I left the seat rails in, and I just cut out these little holes. Hard to see, but it's got the hooks for the seats. And I didn't make it so the seats could go back in because I don't really care. Got the one seat. That's good enough. But if I need some tie downs, I got a bunch of those. I mean, they're freaking everywhere in here. So, and made it so you can cover them back up. There's a couple spots, few spots. So if I need tie downs, I can tie down to the chassis of the van and be good to go. But got some straps in here, spare tire for the trailer. That should probably be on the trailer. Just a bunch of crap sitting around the unit that was in my way, and now it's not. So at some point, the red toolbox is going back in. I think I'm going to put it right here. I don't really know, so we'll see. All right, well, for the van, I think that's done besides the bumper. And then at some point, we're gonna wrap that dude. So yeah, we'll be back with that stuff. All right, time for a little update. And I say update because I ended up finishing up all the wrapping stuff I said I was gonna do on video. I did not, because it's mainly just me cussing at it and getting frustrated. So I don't think anybody wants to watch. Well, they probably do want to watch that, but I don't want to see myself being an idiot more than normal. But anyways, so got the van bumper done. It turned out all right. All the important spots, they're good. Underneath, where the real magic happens, where I just totally mess everything up, if you can see that. Can't seem to get the ripples out of it once it gets in on a weird corner like that. So, but van's done. She's good and wrapped. You guys saw the front end. She's done. Pit ripper, gonna have to redo. It did not turn out well. I don't know what's going on with the plastic. Apparently it's not good to vinyl wrap. So I'll just show you on the front fender. It's got a nice blue stripe to match the Colt. But as you can see, it did not stick very well. I tried to do it at first in one piece, and then I went to two pieces, hoping it would actually stick. And it just keeps peeling up. So I don't know if I need to use an adhesive promoter. Maybe it'll stick better, but as you can see, you can put it down with your finger and it'll come right back up. So I did it the first night, did it all in one piece, and it was looking pretty good. Came back and it all had like peeled up and bubbled overnight. So yeah, I don't know. Anybody that does vinyl wrap, let me know. So yeah, there's the front fender. It's not very good. Rear fender, this side, all these little bubbles, can't get them out, or they won't stay out. Somehow managed to do it on this side though. This side turned out pretty clean. So I don't know, maybe I'll go back and redo it, and maybe I'll have better luck on that. I don't know, one of those things. But then I also did some plastic dipping because I got sick of the vinyl wrap. Managed to mess that up and run the paint, and on the headlights and run the paint. Nice. So anyways, pit ripper is done. It's better than the green, so whatever. And do have the Colt ready to go racing, and I should be at the track right now, but ended up getting canceled because apparently, I guess, water's still seeping through the asphalt at the track, so they canceled tonight and tomorrow. We're all ready, had the van loaded, just had to load the car in the trailer, go out tonight, make some test passes, and race tomorrow. That got canceled, so I guess it'll be next week. But anyways, that'll do it for this video, and hopefully the next one will be a little more racing. So we will see you on the next one.